Welcome to my channel, everyone. If you're passionate about maintaining great eye health, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the 9 top foods that help protect your eyes and repair vision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Number 1 on our list is carrots. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, and it's true. They're rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps the retina and other parts of the eye function smoothly. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These veggies are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases, including cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Third, let's talk about fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, tuna and trout. These are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy retinal function and can help prevent dry eyes and even macular degeneration. Number 4, we have eggs. Eggs are a great source of lutein, zeaxanthin and zinc. These nutrients help lower the risk of macular degeneration and protect against night blindness. Next on the list is citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons and limes are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and can combat cataracts. Number 6 is nuts and seeds. Think almonds, walnuts and sunflower seeds. These contain high levels of vitamin E, which protects the eyes from free radical damage and slows down age-related eye conditions. 7th, we have sweet potatoes. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which is crucial for preventing night blindness and ensuring overall eye health. Next, we have beef. Beef is rich in zinc, which helps maintain the health of the retina and lowers the risk of macular degeneration. Finally, let's not forget about beans and legumes. Lentils, black beans and kidney beans provide a good amount of bioflavonoids and zinc, which help protect the retina and lower the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your eye health. So, next time you hit the grocery store, remember to stock up on these eye-friendly foods. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Take care and see you next time.